Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of the assignment is Chapter 6 Exam of Course MIS 2749F25. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do MyITLab courses, Simnet courses and Engage courses like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stat, Business Math, Account, Finance, Writing, Technical Programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses or any other course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So in first step it says create a new watch in the watch window for the selected cell. So we will go to formulas, in which we will click on watch videos, add watch, then add, and here we go. In this it says enter a formula in cell F1 to find the rank of the value in cell C4 compared to the value in cell C2 to C13. Enter formula in to find the rank of the value C4 compared to the value in C2 to enter formula in F1 to find the rank of C4 reference to C2 to C12. Okay, next it says in cell C5 enter a formula to calculate the future value of this investment. Use cell reference. The interest rate is stored in cell C4. The number of payment in cell C2 and the monthly investment amount in cell C3. Remember to use the negative, so we will use PMT formula. So in this we will use PMT formula. Okay, so we will use PMT formula. The interest rate is stored in C4, C2 payment and C3 investment. In cell C, in cell F2, enter a count ifs to count the number where values in the range cost cost is less than 500 and in the cell range category category is computer expense. Okay, so in here we will click count ifs and criteria will be cost which is less than 500 and category which is computer expense. Less than 500 category and computer expense. Okay, so in next it says edit the mode dot formula in G3 using if error. So if the formula result is in error, then the message none is displayed. So we will if error, then here we will type none, then we will click OK. So next it says enter a nested function in cell F9 using index and match to find the ending balance for the date listed in cell C8. Use the named range schedule to refer the cell range for the schedule of loan payment the ending. Okay, so in cell F9 we will use index schedule, then we will use match formula to find the ending value for the date listed in C8. C8 use the name and okay, use match to look C8, use pay date as lookup array in 0. Okay, this is the formula which we will enter and then we will click OK. So in next step it says in cell A8 enter a formula using AND to display true if value is in cell 2019 cell B9 are greater than this and sales in are greater than. Use cell reference if needed. So we will type and B2 greater than 15. And C2 greater than 15. Okay, so here is the formula. Then in next step it says in cell B9 enter a formula using NPV to calculate the present value of a payment plan with variable annual payment as shown in interest rate is stored in. So we will use NPV Interest rate is in cell B2 and range is B11 to B14. Okay. In next step it says enter a formula to in cell B9 to display the text from A9. So click this and A okay. So in this it is saying okay, enter a formula in cell B9 to display the text from cell cell A9 in uppercase. For uppercase we will type upper, then select A9 and then press enter. So in this it says enter a formula in cell G2 to calculate standard deviation of the value. So we will type standard deviation P and we will select D2 to D13 and here we go. I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in next video.